how to use the override function on your JCC LED floodlights. At the moment the switch is in the on position and the outside lights are off. So when it goes dark, the sensors will automatically switch those on and off without you having to touch the switch. To put them into override mode, go to the switch, should be in the on position, switch it off, on, off, on. So it's back in the off position, back in the on position. And those lights will now be on permanently. So you can leave them on as long as you want. The sensors aren't active now. And to put them back into normal operation mode, come to your switch, off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back on. The lights will come on briefly and then go off, and they're back into automatic mode. So when it goes dark, the sensors will work.